Most of the time, you're an expert. You have all the curiosities, expertise, and knowledge to be able to help someone become the best version of themselves. And then if you're able to do this, you're actually able to package it up and sell it to someone online because we live in a digital world now. Now, people say find a mentor, find a mentor, find a mastermind. What does that mean, right? I mean, I don't have any friends. I don't have any people that can become my mentor. There's a lot of different strategies, a lot of different ways, but the way that I've solo done this my life is I found mentors in books, and then I eventually transitioned over to communities, online communities. And there's either you can join a free communities or you can join paid communities. And typically, paid communities are the way to go because you investing in yourself. Kind of like how Alex Hormozy says it, don't invest in the S&P 500, invest in the S&Me 500. So you make sure that you're investing in yourself. Stop wasting that money on going out, drinking, or spending money on food, right? On going out and eating just unnecessary things. And if you're able to really think about the internal markets of how you can help somebody's life to become the best version of themselves. So you want to think about it in a few different ways. If you can help improve somebody's health, improve somebody's wealth or relationship, those kind of, and then of course there's a lot of different topics within those topics. You're able to improve somebody's life, they will love you forever. And because of your own unique perspectives and curiosities, people will like you for you, because that's what you want to do, is build your own online tribe and build who you are. So, by packaging up your personal expertise, your personal curiosities and experiences, and then helping improve somebody's life to become the best version of themselves, you're able to eventually sell that, right? And why do you want to sell it? Well, why would you want to do it for free? And you can do it for free. You should do it for free because if you're a person that is into personal development and becoming the strongest version of yourself, then you would want to do it practically for free, something that you love, right? So if you want to become an expert at something, just know that you probably already are, and you just got to think about it in a different way. So again, read some books, join some communities, chat with people. Recently, I've kind of done some one-on-one talks with people. I'll connect with them online. Just always continuously look to improve yourself and become the strongest version of yourself. So one of the things that I like to do is make sure that I'm always messaging somebody, connecting with somebody, and becoming the strongest version of myself, and doing it together, because doing it by yourself, you won't get there. Much love and peace.